why I spent $3,285.22 US dollars in 18 hours. And here's why. I flew to Dubai about a few days ago. And the reason for that is because do you remember when Matt did the training of the whole ideal lifestyle thing, where a lot of people think they want the 30K a month, 50 grand a month, whatever it may be. They want to become a millionaire, but they don't know why, right? And they may know why, but they don't understand like how much it actually costs to actually live the life that they want. So it's cool to throw out like a random number, but having like a tangible reason behind it is another thing, right? Because when you know the data behind it, when you have the tangible outcome and the emotional outcome, like we help our prospects go through with ourselves, then now it solidifies why we do what we do and gives more reason to do the difficult things to get where we want, right? So that's why I did that. I was talking about this with different people in Sniper, and it's one of the things like Matt talked about as well. I was like, oh, like it would be awesome if I went to Dubai. It would be dope. It sounds dope, but I never actually did it until I was like, how long am I going to keep talking about this, or like, am I actually going to actually do the thing, right? So finally, went to the website, the airline website, booked a ticket, and then I looked at different hotels in Dubai. I just knew that Dubai is expensive, but I didn't know it was this expensive. But I was like, okay, which one's the dopest hotel? I was looking at different things on Instagram. I found one, looked like a lot of cool people, hot girls go there. I was like, okay, let me go that one. And then I look at that, and the cheapest hotel, the cheapest hotel was 1,600 US dollars per night. Okay, the cheapest one. I think one of the more expensive ones was like 10, 20 grand a night. Some were like 50 grand a night. I was like, okay, I'm not there yet. So let me go with the 1,600 one because, so I went that one. And then I got there. And then I went to like some of the dope restaurants I wanted to go, right? People who I wanted to be around, the girls I wanted to date are going to. And then I was going there. I remember going to lunch. And, first of all, before I did that, I was walking around the beach. I saw ice cream. I got hungry. I got the ice cream. It was like a red velvet cheesecake ice cream, and they put like this like paper gold thing on the ice cream, and it turned out to be about $30 US. So this ice cream was $30. It's red velvet cheesecake with gold on top of it for an ice cream. I was like, okay, all right, Dubai, I see you. It was pretty damn good, but nonetheless. And I did some jet ski thing, got a photographer to take some photos, nice and things like that. The whole thing came out to about like $700 to $800 US for 30 minutes of jet skiing. It was fucking dope, not gonna lie. People say money doesn't buy happiness, but show me a sad dude on a jet ski. I've never seen it. And then, I went to different places. The lunch place I went to, it was dope. And then I got some sushi and some appetizer, and then that was $100 for like a light lunch, right? Like 10 pieces of sushi and like 6 things of like this like small appetizer things, $100. I was like, all right. And so the total came out to this day I spent about over $3,000 USD. And so I calculated, in order to live my ideal life, I need to be making at least 90 grand a month. Okay. At least 90 grand a month. If I want to have like savings goals and investing goals and things like that, I need to be making about 200 grand a month to kind of live the life that I want. I was like, ooh, okay. It's a bit of a gap from where I'm at. And so the reason why this exercise is so powerful is because I thought I wanted to have like a digital nomad lifestyle where I go to Bali for a year and like go to Europe and a bunch of places. I thought I wanted to be like an EU citizenship and like live in Europe. And Europe's cool, but I realized, I'm kind of sick of like traveling all the time. I just got to Toronto. You can see like my messy suitcase over there. I just got here this morning. And what I realized, I just want to like kind of like settle down in one place, kind of like plant my root and like, and also what I thought I realized, a valuable lesson is that I thought I wanted to become like Kobe Bryant, right? Wake up at fucking 4 a.m, like just work out all day, be the best, sacrifice everything else. I thought I wanted to be Yash, but in reality, I don't, right? I want to have a life. I want to date, have girls that I'm dating. I want to have friends that I'm hanging out with, do cool things while still crush where I'm working. So this is a really powerful realization that I've had taking my through this like real life implementation exercise. I highly recommend that you do it too, because I really believe that it'll open your eyes up as well, and change the trajectory of your life?